welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a lipstick declutter. I've had this footage for a while, I just never had the chance to film an intro and outro, but here it is. This video is very painful for me to do, guys. I had over, I think over like 300 or 400 lipsticks, which is insane. It was overflowing in my little drawer and this video needed to be done. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I know, with the springtime, we get into the spring cleaning sort of habit, and makeup decluttering is very important because you never know like what's expired or whatnot. So hopefully you guys are inspired to declutter your own collection. Please don't take offense to anything in this video if they're products that I toss out that you really love. I probably really love them too, but this, I just can't have this much. I just can't. So enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well, and let's get on to the declutter. Alright guys, so this is the dreaded lipstick drawer. You can see it's almost even too hard to pull it all out because it just keeps pulling these. But this is the drawer. Yeah, it's a little bit insane, a little bit more than insane. This is years and years filled with just lipsticks that I need to get rid of and just narrow down. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. I want to show you the organizer that I'm hoping that I can, narrow down all my lipsticks to fit into this one organizer. I think I have to close this to show you, but this is the organizer over here. It's an acrylic organizer. It still kind of has the plastic wrap on it, so I should probably take that off, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So it has 120 spots for lipstick, and then it has this spot in the front for like lip liners and stuff, which I thought was really nice because all the other ones that I've seen, like all the other lipstick organizers like this, didn't have this spot. So I really love this. It is from Bella Posh, if you can see. I don't know if you can really see the logo right there. But it's from bellaposh.com, so I will have it linked down below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, all of my lipsticks have to fit in here. At least I'm hoping. I feel like I'm gonna have a little bit of separation anxiety during this video, but let's get started. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is just empty all of this out onto my floor, and then we'll go from there, because at this point it's just a little too daunting. I want to see what I can get rid of automatically, because there's lipsticks in here that have been in here for so long, they just need to be thrown out completely. So I also have this bin over here, as you can see, which I'm going to be putting in products that are still perfectly fine and can be donated or given to friends or family. All of that will be going into this bin, and the rest I will throw out. So let's get started. This is finally empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Bella Posh organizer in here. And this is all the lipstick over here. If I were to guess how many there are, I would have to say probably around like 400. Like, I'm not even just trying to front here. There is so much lipstick. Oh my god, it's a lipstick nightmare. Alright guys, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little off, but basically what I'm gonna do first is go through and pick out all the products that I know for sure I'm gonna toss out, things that have just been in here for very long, and I'm gonna put that all into this little container over here. And yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward this part. So these ones are really gonna hurt. These are my all-time favorite liquid lipstick. It's the Too Faced Melted Mattes. These have a lifetime of 12 months once they're open, and I use these a lot, and I've definitely had them for over 12 months. I've probably had them for like, it's coming up to 2 years now, so that's kind of gross. I definitely need to get rid of these, but some of these shades are literally like my all-time favorite, which is so, so sad. But if anything, I will just rebuy them. I'm gonna just go ahead and pick through all of the Too Faced ones and unfortunately toss them out. Wait, dump this. Oh god, okay. It's like an avalanche of lip stuff. Yeah, it's so hard. Alright guys, so I think I went through everything and got rid of like majority of the old stuff. So all the ColourPop, the Tarte stuff, and then the Too Faced. And guys, don't be too nervous about a lot of the Too Faced melted mattes that I got rid of, especially like my favorites like Lady Balls and Naughty by Nature, Cool Girl, those types of shades. I did pick up extras when I did visit the Too Faced office, so I have new ones that I can now use. Like of my all-time favorite shade. Now what I'm gonna do is go through all of this, and I'm gonna get the little organizer that I have and pick out all the shades that I know for sure I want to keep, and then put that in its place, and then everything else that's left we will decide whether I've used it before, whether I'm keeping it, whether I am donating it, etc. So let's do that now. Okay, actually, instead of putting it in the divider, I'm just gonna put them into here for now, and then I will show you guys me like putting them all into the divider. Okay, so I believe these are all the MAC lipsticks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of all the ones that I know for sure are super old. Like for example, like Diva, Taupe, I've had for way too damn long. I've definitely had these since like high school. So these need to go. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get rid of all of them because I don't think I bought a new one anytime recently. Oh my god, this one, Dubonnet. Guys, this lipstick, oh, this was the first MAC lipstick I ever bought. It's called Dubonnet. It's like a red, and I, not even kidding you, bought this in 2011. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and put all the ones that I want in here. And these kind of have dividers in it, so I'm gonna divide them into like reds, nudes, purpley colors, and just random colors. Okay, so right now I'm actually just doing a mixture of picking out like the newer products and putting them into the either giveaway bin or donation pile. I'm getting a little distracted from just finding my favorites, so I find it's just easier to pick and choose both of those at the same time. Okay, and we are left with just these. These are all new colors that I haven't opened yet, but I have a feeling I actually wanted all of these. Yeah, I think these are all shades that I wanted, so I'm just gonna take them all out of their packaging. The only thing that I hate about Bite Beauty's lipsticks is that you can't really see what the color is like from outside of the box, which is very annoying. So I'll try to like color coordinate it when I put it into my collection, but these are, yeah, so these are like 2 shades that I really love. So I'm gonna, actually I might as well just take them out. I have like the mini versions. These are like the mini versions of these larger ones. Might as well take them out. And then this is just a lip primer from Bite as well. Okay, all right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all the lipsticks that were a yes to my collection, and I'm gonna turn this camera around and then show myself putting them all into the organizer. So this is all the lipsticks that I'm gonna either donate or give to my cousins to go through, or give to my dad to give to people back home, different stuff like that. And then this entire box over here and over here is all the stuff that is just gonna go straight into the garbage. So RIP to all these lippies. So let's begin. I think I'm going to put all of like the blue shades and kind of like the more out there shades, I'm gonna put them towards the back over here, and then we'll make our way forward to like nudes and reds because I wear those most often. I literally only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots left, which is a little bit alarming because I have a lot more than 7 lipsticks in my new drawer right now. So I'll probably have to get another one of these dividers soon, or just do an even more of a declutter, like maybe in a month's time. So yeah, but for now, this is pretty much it. This is my entire lipstick collection. It fits perfectly into these drawers, which I'm so happy about. And yeah, that is it.